Alright friends, now let's move on the sort method. When I want to sort the elements in an array list, I can use the sort method. So let's create a new array list of numbers. I change it from string to integer. And then I say numbers. Let's add the elements. I delete all. And then numbers.add. I add 1. And then I copy this line. I copy this. I paste a few times. Let's change the number. I say -3. And then 66. And then 55. And then 10. And then 5. That's enough. So let's print them before sorting. I say system.out.print because I want to print on the same line. I say before sorting, or I can say original array list, something like that. And then what I need to do, I need to use plus operator. I give numbers. Okay. So let's print it. You see, before sorting, my array list is this. So how can I sort it? I come here. I say using sort method numbers.sort, and I can sorting in ascending order or in descending order. So that's why I need to use comparator. So if I press enter, you see it will not. You see java.util, yes. It imported automatically and I import comparator. Alright. So after that, if I want to sort it in ascending order, I use plus operator and then I use natural order. That's all. So after sorting, I want to print them. So I copy this, I come here, I say after sorting, I print numbers array list. So I run it. You see, before sorting this, so after I want to go to the next line. So for doing this, I can use 1 plus operator and \n. So let's run it again. You see, before sorting, my array list is this. So after sorting, I sorted successfully in ascending order. As you see, it starts from smallest element and it continues. It goes one by one until the largest element. Alright.